boom, I'm done. And by done, I mean with the course. Although this has been such a hard month for me, with all the pandemic going around, with all the panicking going around, I said to myself, should I do the same thing or what should I actually do? So I just looked at the most successful people in the world and what are they doing, and they were just working their asses off. Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook, Elon Musk, everybody was staying calm, working, and that's the same thing I did. And I think this is why this has been by far in this year the most productive and financially successful month for me. So with this being said, I'm going to leave you with the intro from my course. I will leave a link in the description below, and don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel, because from now on I'm going to be posting a lot of videos right here. So see you soon. Bye bye. Hello, my name is Meinhard Norbert and I will be your instructor for this course. But first I have one question. Are you done with the basics? Great! Then let's start learning some real CSS. So let's take a look at what this course contains. And the first question will be, who is this course for? Well, this course is not for absolute beginners. If you have no idea about HTML and CSS, then please do not take this course. But if you're a beginner CSS developer who wants to up their CSS game, this is the course for you. Also, if you're a CSS developer who wants to have a deeper understanding on how CSS works. Even if you want to get into freelancing and want to have some basic template web pages for clients to present. Or if you're a CSS developer who wants to expand their tool set by having deeper understanding about animation, Flexbox, CSS Grid, SASS, and much more. Or if you're a front-end developer who wants to finally understand how CSS works behind the scenes. In general, anyone who wants to truly master CSS. So in a nutshell, this course is for those of you who got your basics done in HTML, CSS and want to get to the next level. So what is this next level? From beginning to advanced CSS web page structuring. Using pseudo elements and pseudo classes, Flexbox layouts, grid layouts, CSS transitions, CSS animations using the add keyframes, and also advanced responsive design using media queries and using EMs and RAM units. And if you didn't know, CSS also has variables, which are extremely useful. We will also learn about the complete SASS technology, which contains SASS syntaxes, SASS variables, scope, shadowing, SASS data types, with numbers, strings, colors, lists, maps, booleans, and null. Also SASS operators, SASS functions, SASS mixins, and then SASS flow control with add ifs, add else if, else, add each, for loops and while loops. In order to increase your productivity, we'll create SASS components, which will be completely reusable. We'll create reusable variable components, typography components, button components, card components, navigation components, and form components. So why SASS? Well, in one word, to get organized. And how? By creating partials. Partials are a way of structuring everything into small, but understandable pieces. So what's in it for you? After finishing this course, you will have a profound understanding of the Flexbox technology, CSS Grid, animations, transitions, SASS and SCSS, a completely responsive web design. You will have your own CSS framework with reusable components, multiple web page templates to show to clients, to contractors, and to include in your own portfolio website. Okay, that's it for the slides. So once again, my name is Benhard P. Norbert. I'll be your instructor and I would love to have you in my course. So see you in the course. Take care.